You're gonna pull this out and then push these in until you feel it pop out of place. Okay. After you've got it off, there's a 10mm bolt right in there, so you need an extension for this one. Just right in here. So then over here, you got this. You can use a credit card for this as well if you want. Just get that guy out. There's a bolt here, Phillips. Save that. Pull that guy down, just like that. Now there's a bunch of wiring harnesses here. You can just click down and pull back. If you don't have nails. And you can just use a screwdriver. And then here, you're going to remove the airbag. So this is another 10mm. So save all these. There's another Phillips on this side over here. Just another Phillips down there. Rest up there. And that other bolt was right here. We've got a bolt just up in there that we want to take out. It's another 10mm. And that's the hard part. Again. So for this part, there's 2 more bolts just right on the top here. Now for this part, you just want to grab it by the top here. Just want to pull it out and then up. Just like that. So now we've got some more tabs to pull. Make sure you grab them by the connector, not the wires. Just pull all these tabs. And then there's one more down here. And that's it. Gonna build this up. Line it up like that. Comes with some screws. You want to slide this through. And then you've got screws here. Now we've got the factory. We got to remove the 4 factory bolts here for the mounting plate. There we go. So now on the back of this, you want to remove these. So it's just 4 bolts. It just pops out. Just pops straight back in. Same deal with this. This is our original. We're going to transfer it. Okay. So this one here just pops out like that. Okay. This one, a couple of pins on the sides. Same deal. Just comes out. This one here, just underneath these tabs, and you can just lift up. It just now goes straight into these. And go over the tabs. Same for the other side. So now we pull out all of this fun stuff. All this. Now what we can do is start grabbing everything here and just start plugging away. And then the radio antenna over here. plug the mic into the mic section. 4G. Second 4G. So after you've got it all in there, you're going to take your two 10mm bolts, you've got this as well, so you can plug the bottom back in. Take your ribbon, there you go, just like that. And these guys, works. That's it. And set up. So this is the main screen. If you go into Z-Link, which will be in here in the main options down the back, Z-Link takes us into Android Auto, and you just got to make sure that your phone is on Bluetooth, so you're connected to the system, and it'll automatically come in here. You can set it up to go to a last look mode so that it boots up in this. So here's Android Auto. So we've got our music happening. It's a great tune. I don't know, now playing. Go back to maps. Let's map one of the last things here. So it's pretty quick, as you can see. And then if we go back to this main screen, we can go to our apps. In this drive, no new messages in the drive, so that's good. It's not going to be distracted driving. And this is just linked to our phone. I'm a big fan of how this all looks. It looks amazing. No new notifications. Love it. And then from here, you can just start popping it back in. Just like that. So now you're just gonna reinstall the 10 mil bolt on this side. Here, I just want to put up the airbag again. And this panel just goes back on with the one screw right there. Just plug everything back in here. Just clips right in. With then another bolt right here. Straight back into, just like that. Okay, and then here we've got this guy back. Make sure that the hangers are good there. Clip it in. And this just pops straight in. Make sure that you put that back in. Just like that.